Hi guys, in this video I'll show you what to do like if your Roku TV screen gone black and you're not able to see anything. Like in some cases you're able to hear the audio, but in other cases you're just not listening any kind of audio and no screen. So how can you solve that black screen? Now if we go to this section, like this is the community.roku.com, their official community section, and they have added the answer to this question. Like a lot of people are facing this issue. Like you'll find many reports of the same thing. Like there are multiple people who are facing this issue. So this is the solution given by their community streaming experts. So you must try this and let's see if it works or not. Like try unplugging the power for an extended period, like overnight, and see if the picture comes back. Like make sure to unplug it, turn it off for like 24 hours or maybe 1 or 2 days or 3 days, and just check if it works or not. And if it does, turn down the brightness. That may keep it from happening in the future. And if it does not come back and you can shine a bright light on your TV and see a picture, something within the TV has failed. Like replacing the failed component probably isn't something the average user can do, but of course you can just do the research on internet and instructions. Like these are the instructions given by their official community experts. And if you're still not able to like solve your problem, so you just need to like replace your TV, or you just need to contact any manufacturer who will be able to solve your problem. Like there might be an issue with your screen or any kind of board issue, so make sure to connect to the experts and they'll be able to help you. So these are all the instructions and all the help given by the community.roku, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So that is all about this.